I am Anton, and in this video we'll explore the terminology in the application and the meaning of each of the terms. So most dance studios have lessons or classes, then lessons are private, classes are group, but your studio probably runs on more than two shapes. And you have group classes, private lessons, workshops, recitals, and even competition rehearsals. If you called everything a lesson, you lose information. And if you used a different word for each shape, your team would have to learn 6 terms. In application, you will see only one word for anything that lives on a schedule activity. And the specific shape of this activity lives in class template, and class template defines what an activity is, how long it runs, who can attend it, how is it built, and whether it's visible publicly on your website. So when you book on the schedule, you pick the template and activity inherits from it. Here's an example of the schedule and how the classes are booked. For example, we have a default color for the class just booked on the schedule, and here it appears as just a standard class. Then we have different colors for something like practice party, and each of those items is color coded by the color you choose in your studio. And when you create a new activity, you choose the custom type that you also define per your studio custom settings. Once an activity is booked, it carries its own copy of the template heading. You can change template later, but existing activities won't change. The new ones will have the shape as you changed it. And that's deliberate. Your January schedule shouldn't shift because you edited the template in March. So that's the whole mental model. The reason it matters for you day to day is because you will see it everywhere in an app as booking, attendance, billing, public bookings. Everything just works against the activity. One board and one meaning. And every variation of the activity, every shape that your studio has, it is called class template, and it carries its own specific settings for an activity. As a small hint, all the settings are defined right here under the schedule setting, and you will see all the class templates listed all together. So you can change them and create new ones right from the same place. And if you go to the calendar as well as schedule, you will see the color codings for all of them in one place. That's it for this video. And if you want to learn more how to manage your classes, class types, and different views of the schedule, we'll explore it in one of the next videos.